Secrets are really at the heart of the play, and every character in the play has a secret. But they're the kind of secrets that people keep because they're trying to protect somebody they love. So the play is about an older lesbian couple who've been together for about 40 years. And before being together, Esme is married to a man and had a son, but she's never told her son that she's in a relationship with Flo. And when the play starts, she is beginning to be forgetful, got the early signs of dementia, and someone arrives at the door, and that starts an unraveling of their situation and a kind of explosion of their secrets. Es and Flo are actually named after my two grandmothers. One of them had dementia and one of them carried a massive secret their entire life. And those two things are really at the heart of the play. And very often, people with dementia are depicted on stage and in television and film, I think, as having been diagnosed and then that's it, they're written off, and 6 months later, that's it. And that's not really a true depiction of dementia. Dementia is a really long journey, and a lot of people are living with dementia, still participating in society, getting loads done, having wonderful relationships. And it was really important to me that we told a realistic story about dementia, and with all the challenges, but also the joys of that, and to show these two women still living their lives together. I really wanted to write about women. I wanted to write about women supporting each other and coming together, and really the strength of female relationships. I really want to tell stories that show all kinds of women on stage. We don't have enough good, strong female leads of any kind, and that's particularly true if you get older. That's particularly true if you're from any historically excluded communities. So for me, it was all about getting 5 really different women on the stage together and really celebrating that. Secrets are really at the heart of the play, and every character in the play has a secret. But they're the kind of secrets that people keep because they're trying to protect somebody they love. And perhaps the play looks at whether that's true and whether some of those secrets are doing more harm than good. I hope the show says that life is really precious, time is really precious. We should be with people who make us feel safe and happy and loved, and that's the most important thing.